Imagine you're planning your dream house. Would you tell the builder, just give me 3 bedrooms and a kitchen and walk away? Probably not. You'd want detailed floor plans, material lists, plumbing, electric wiring, everything. In the world of software, the same logic applies. That detailed plan is called the Software Design Document, or SDD. Now here's a common confusion. People often mix up the SDD with the SRS. The SRS, or Software Requirements Specification, defines what the software should do, in business terms. It says, the user should be able to log in using email or Google, or the system must support up to 10,000 concurrent users. But the SDD defines how the system will accomplish this. It says, we'll implement OAuth 2.0 using Google Identity APIs, or the login service will be built with Node.js using JWT authentication, and deployed on AWS Lambda for scalability. To put it simply, the SRS is for clients, PMs, and stakeholders. The SDD is for developers, architects, and testers. The SRS is the destination. The SDD is the detailed map and fuel plan to get there. A well-crafted SDD isn't just documentation, it's insurance for your software project. It prevents chaos, keeps the team aligned, and makes sure your project can grow and scale smoothly. So before you start building your next app, make sure your blueprint, the SDD, is ready to guide you. If this helped you understand SDDs better, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more detailed tech breakdowns.